With just your college ID, GitHub gives you free access to tools that top tech companies use to build, deploy, and ship real softwares. You can avail free access to Canva Pro, Figma Pro, MongoDB, DigitalOcean, and free domain for 1 year to host your portfolio, free courses, free certifications from DataCamp and front-end masters, and much more. Before applying to this pack, you need to make two critical changes in your GitHub profile. Make sure your name in the billing information is as same as the name in your government ID proofs. In GitHub settings, enable two-factor authentication. Then comes exciting part, which is application to the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Select student option, write down your college name, then if you have specified email id given by college, then use it, otherwise use your personal email id. Then click on share location option, then click on continue button. Afterwards, write down your college website link and also select how many students are enrolled into your college, your college type, address of the college, then click on continue. Oh, sorry, I forgot to take the screenshot of the proof details. So in the next page, you need to submit the any proof. Like select school ID option, and if you have valid email ID, then you can simply submit your ID card image, or else you need to submit the uh, merged image of your college ID and also recent semester transcript, and that's all. Click on the submit. You will get this message mail from the GitHub. Now you can track the status of your application by the link which is present in the mail. In 24 hours, your status is approved, and also in 72 hours, you can access all the perks. If you find this video helpful, please consider a like, a subscribe, and a share.